Hi, Fluffy Bunny here. This is a quick video tutorial to explain naval movement in Old World. So in order to move land units across water, you either need for that water to be in your borders or you need an anchored ship. So most land units need to end their movement on land. Workers are a special case that can end their movement within your coastal borders, which of course allows them to build coastal improvements. But land units will need to traverse from one section of land to another and end their movement on land. So we've got an example here where we've got some cities, and you can see this line is my border. So all these coast tiles are within the border. This land unit here can move directly. If we look at the movement preview, can move directly over the water. If we click to move, we can see he goes into a boat and then comes out again the other side. One other thing to note from this is that naval movement is a lot quicker than a land movement. So most units have a movement of 2, so we can only go 2 tiles with 1 move, whereas over sea we can go 9 tiles, so it's a lot faster. Another example down here, these coastal tiles are not in my borders, so we can't move directly over them. We have to go the long way around over this land. We can't even reach this forest tile down here without marching. So the other way to move over water is to use an anchored ship. Anchoring a ship effectively extends your borders in the ship's anchoring radius and allows you to travel across them. So ships will anchor with a radius that is equal to their movement. So this bireme here can move 3 tiles. If we click the anchor button, you can see we get a preview of 3 tiles in every direction from that ship. You can see that's happened there. It does take a turn for this anchoring to happen. So he's on cooldown anchored at the moment, this ship, and if we try and move, we can see that we still can't move over the water. But if we end our turn, then this ship here gets the anchored icon, and we can see we can now move directly over the water. If you want to get to an island that's further away, one ship may not be enough. You may need multiple ships. So for example, if we anchor this ship here, we can see it connects up to the borders here, but it won't get us far enough. Won't because we can't end our turn with a land unit in the water. We have to have another ship to actually make it the whole way across. So again, if we end our turn here, you can now see we can now cross the water. So that's essentially naval movement in Old World. As I said, it is very useful for quick movement of units and essential if you want to move between islands. So I hope that's been helpful, and I'll see you again in another tutorial.